I have the most exciting news. Today is the day that I launch my winter boot collaboration with Charlie Stone shoes.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
This project has been 12 months in the making. You may remember this reel here. Well, Sam of Charlie Stone saw that reel, contacted me and asked me if I would like to collaborate on making the ideal vegan, vintage-inspired winter boot for European winters. And I was like, yes. My thoughts instantly went to Gaytees, drizzle boots, reindeers. These are these particularly 1950s boot covers that went over the top of 1950s heels. Obviously, there was a very distinct style of heel in the 1950s, which meant that these fit really well. But in today's wide range of shoe options, a slip-on boot cover isn't really very versatile for you guys. So I really wanted to create a winter boot that looked like these gaiter boots. So let me show you the boots. First of all, I have to show you, Sam had the cutest idea of putting my signature on. So there it is. It has the classic gold writing from Charlie Stone, but I chose this vintage racing green sort of color, which I've always just adored in old vintage cars. So that's what I went with. Everything always with Charlie Stone comes with these beautiful shoe protective bags so you can travel as well with them, which I just think is a great idea if you want to take care of your shoes and have them last as long as possible. It says, Charlie Stone, your uniqueness is your magic. That's really a sweet sentiment. I love that. And again, plenty of protection for your shoes. Here they are. So as I say, I'll hold them over here so you can see them against the white wall. Very inspired by the Gaytee. It's got a beautiful block heel so that you're comfortable, a grip sole. Everything is of course vegan, but it is waterproof as well. Obviously don't, go swimming in them, but you can, walk out with snowy roads and in the rain and stuff like that, and your feet should stay nice and dry. And I really wanted this detail with the brown trim because I saw so many true vintage boots with the brown fur, and many modern reproductions do black fur to match the black boot, or they'll go, like two really, white with brown or something like really different. But the brown fur was something I saw again and again and again and again in vintage styles, and so I really wanted to go super authentic with this. Sam added some very cute details. This really cute stitching detail all over, which I think is beautiful. Go this way as well, over the toe. They're just really pretty. And to keep you extra protected, it has a button closure because we really liked the button closure ones and the zip front ones. We ended up doing both, and Sam made the great point that it means it's extra protection. So it's got a good quality zip here. Take the lining out, and then inside it is fully lined. I have a bunch of unattractive winter boots that I wear here in Europe that are lined on the inside but also on the insole, and they're so warm, so I requested specifically to have the whole inside lined for you guys. It also means that if you don't want to wear socks, you still have to be a bit brave in a European and I imagine a North American winter. I know it gets very cold, but you could wear these with just your stockings and not have socks inside if you want to go for that very smooth line. So the boots come out today, guys. They are on the Charlie Stone website. I've left the link down below in the description. As they are a collab from me, you guys don't need a special link or a discount code because I created the boots with Sam, so by purchasing them you are supporting my channel and obviously supporting the wonderful brand that is Charlie Stone Shoes. I hope you love them. If you do purchase them, please do let me know. I would love to see you wearing them. I would love to know your thoughts on the boots. Be sure to let me and Charlie Stone know and support us by purchasing the boots and telling everyone about them. Thanks as always for all your love and support. You guys are amazing. I would not be here doing this right now if it wasn't for you guys following everything that I do and engaging with me and just being the most amazing bunch of subscribers and followers ever. So thank you so much to you guys too for this amazing opportunity. Love you guys.